to do deep breathing, right? Make sure you always have enough oxygen, okay? Very good. You see, isn't it amazing when we study our A&P? You're like, oh, now it's making sense, okay? One more thing I want you to take a look at. Everything clear so far? Any question? Anybody? We understanding? Let's look at this one. One more thing. Look at this is the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sounds like smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It's actually a modified SER. But the job or the function of the sarcoplasmic reticulum in muscle, it stores calcium. You see, I told you, calcium is so important to life. That's why we have a lot of 401k for calcium over there. Okay? Look at. The sarcoplasmic reticulum stores all of the calcium in here in muscle cells when muscle is resting. Okay? I want you to look at these muscle proteins again, this actin and myosin. They are the ones. Now I'm going to go to this next one over here. Over here. Look at this. Look at this picture over here. For muscle to you remember our muscle filaments? Your actin and myosin, okay? For muscle to contract, those actin and myosin filaments, actually, they're the ones that slide, okay? And then they pull, look at, and then you move. You get this part, okay? I want to go up. This is your thick, the blue one, and there's your thin, the red one, okay? Look at, normally they look like this, but what will make them slide is calcium. But remember, normally calcium is locked up inside the sarcoplasmic reticulum. You see that? Normally, right in the beginning, they're all locked up in there. What tells the calcium to be released is nerve stimulation. You understand? This is why if we have a stroke or there's a cut to the nerve, even though you have plenty of calcium, it won't be released. You see? That's why I wanted you to remember the word excitability. Muscle is so dependent on nerves. The nerve is the key. It has to tell the muscle, you need to contract. Without this, there will be no release of calcium from the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is what? The key for this event to happen. You understand so far? So we will end here, and we will, now that we have a very good introduction on muscle tissue, we will finish up muscle physiology, muscle metabolism, and the rest of the muscles on Tuesday. Okay? Have a good weekend, and I will post your grades on Canvas. And we will discuss the lab exam next week when I see you, okay?